with the little kids along with them pag pumasok na po sila. Unang-una po doon is our coloring materials. So para saan po yan? Gagamitin po kasi nila yung own coloring materials nila in the 4 days of activity nila. So sa loob po kasi ng kanilang activity, last year po, just to give you a quick idea, kung 13 yung mga bata namin, sama-sama po silang lahat na bumababang 13. However, this year po, along with the guidelines po given to us by our marketing team, hati na po siya. So for example, 14 yung bata, 7 po dun sa mga bata nasa baba for their station practice. And then yung 7 doon ay may iwan sa party area to do naman a activity. So para lang po, lahat ng bata were able, nagagawa naman natin na lahat sila nagagawa yung activity. But then, just for them to enjoy a small company, since medyo tight yung space natin sa baba pag sobrang dami, ang goal po natin is bawat bata ma-enjoy each of their station practices. Okay? Next. So we are also asking po na bawat bata meron po silang sariling water bottle or tumbler, towel, or extra shirt. Again po, yung tubig naman na sinaserve po ni McDonald's ay filtered water. Pero po dahil mga maliliit pa po sila na bata, meron po kasi tayong mga little kids that are very sensitive to water. So para lang po maiwasan yon, again po, we are asking the parents po na bawat bata po sa ana ay meron silang sariling water bottle. So kasi medyo tatakbo-takbo sila, gagalaw-galaw, so madalas talaga silang uhawin. So para lang accessible din yon sa kanila. Extra towel and extra shirt. Ayan. So optional lang naman yan. If you believe po na yung mga bata po ay mabiling pawisan, makapaya ng pawis, so pwede po silang magpalit after our workshop. Next time. So before po pala bumalik doon, baka lang po, balikan natin yung workshop schedule day 1. Again, our official time po is 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 9 po tayo mag-i-start, mga mommies and daddies, at matatapos din po tayo by 11 a.m. So again po, for the day 1, we will having our salute, getting to know. This is a different get to know po, which will start tomorrow. Our values formation, discipline, and of course, our station practice, hydration and reload, drinks and dessert station. And ito po yung pangalawa, ito yung activity na gagawin ng mga batang may iwan sa party areas. Squad games, refresh stations. And of course, we will also be having our Do the Ronald dance and our kiddie crew anthem. Next time. On the second day, they have their a day in a hike, jumping left or right. And our value formation, teamwork. And then, second station po is the SOK station, front counter. Ito po pala yung pwede kayong mag-order sa kanila. They'll get to call out the orders, they'll get to serve the orders. And dance phase are all in this together. Just short disclaimer lang po. Baka lang po, meron sa atin, in-expect na yung bata talaga yung literal na magdadala on the table. All the activities po na gagawin ng mga bata are all assisted activities. Ibig pong sabihin, kung meron silang daladalang bagay, they should always be accompanied by another bootcamp leaders. Bakit po? So, this is with accordance lang po with our dole. Kasi po, kakapumatag tayo as child labor. Actually po, sa drive-thru, sa ating following, next slide please. And then on their third day is the lobby area, responsibility, and the third day po is the cheeseburger making. So kapag po nag-cheeseburger making na sila, pwede naman kayong pumasok para mag-take ng videos, ng pictures sa mga bata while they're doing it. And then of course, the dance days are all in this together. Another kiddie crew after. So I stand corrected. Sa pangatlong araw po sila sasayaw sa lobby. Third day po ang ating lobby. And then on their fourth day, other intelligence, drive-thru area, and dance space again together with the Do the Ronald and Kiddie Crew anthem. So, totoo lang po in our experience, hindi po talaga dapat mag-order take yung mga bata. Kasi they are assigned to the last window, which is the center area. Pero po, don't worry kasi naman we are introducing the little kids on the areas of the drive-thru. Pero again, baka lang po mag-isip natin na yung bata yung mag-order take sa drive-thru. Yung experience po na makapag-order take yung bata sa front counter po siya mangyayari. hindi po sa drive-thru. Kasi danger zone din po yung area ng drive-thru natin sa likod. Since doon po madalas yung area natin where we cook the products kasi ni Sir din natin. So, para lang po malinaw tayo, nandito po tayo sa last video. Okay? Next slide. And then on their fifth day, that's their graduation day. We encourage you po na kung mayroon pa po kayong other kasama, pwede po nilang samahan din yung mga little kids to witness their graduation. Kasi again po, we will also be having our certificate, the games, and so on and so forth. So far po ba, meron po bang tanong?